Welcome back, everybody. The wait is over. I'm finally going to cook on the brand new Blackstone 22-inch pizza oven right here, right now. Actually filmed an episode of Let's Give It a Try for this weekend, but today, let's do it. I made the Colorado Cajun, and then I made the Colorado Cajun sandwich. Today, the Colorado Cajun pizza. I have the Blackstone Pro Series 28-inch griddle on high heat. This is just a personal thing, okay? This is andouille sausage, Cajun sausage that I use in the Colorado Cajun. It's already cooked, but I am a texture guy, and I need a little texture on there. So before I put this on my pizza, I want to make sure that I got a little bit of color, a little bit of caramelization. It's just been about 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes tops, and you can see that sausage is perfect. That's all I want. Again, that's a personal thing. I want that sausage to look beautiful. I'm gonna put a little bit of semolina flour down there on my wood pizza peel. This is great because it's like ball bearings. It helps the dough to slide on and off the pizza peel. And I've got a pizza dough here. I'm not an expert at this. I used the recipe actually on blackstoneproducts.com. There's a couple of pizza dough recipes from back in the day, the original Blackstone pizza oven, and this is the quick 1 hour rise recipe. So I'm taking the Colorado Cajun recipe, we're putting it on a pizza. Okay, so we're gonna go down with a little bit of mozzarella, okay? And immediately, that heavy whipping cream that made the Colorado Cajun so famous. I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit on here. I'm not gonna get crazy. I think, you know, I have that in the Colorado Cajun recipe, so why not include it right here in my Colorado Cajun pizza. And straight down with your choice of Louisiana cayenne-based hot sauce. You can go a little bit or a lot. See, now we're looking more like a pizza there. Then we're gonna go down with the trinity of Cajun cooking. So some type of an onion. In this case, we have a minced red onion here today. I'll try to space it out the best I can. A little bit of celery. Again, this is all part of the trinity of Cajun cooking. So a little bit of celery, something like that. And then lastly, trinity of Cajun cooking always includes bell pepper. In this case, I'm using a red because I wanted that extra color contrast today. So we're gonna go down with red bell pepper. Going down with the andouille. So I'm gonna space out those little andouille slices that we griddled up on the griddle. You could probably dice this up as well, but I figured I had all the diced veggies, so today I might as well go ahead and do a pepperoni slice. And I have these little razor thin slices of garlic that I've been marinating in Scott's garlic oil and a little bit of the Blackstone Cajun seasoning. I'm gonna go in here and just kind of sprinkle these on top of the pizza. So some Cajun garlic, if you will. Love to have garlic in my recipes. Love to have garlic on my pizza. And last but not least, I'm gonna use Blackstone's Crazy Cajun seasoning. This is actually the first generation. The Cajun seasoning at Walmart now is just known as Cajun, so this is a collector's item. But you can use any brand of Cajun seasoning that you like. The key is, again, that delicious cayenne. So look at that, man. Grab my infrared thermometer, and we are, where are we at here? We're up around 600 degrees, maybe 650 degrees. That's piping hot. I'm actually gonna go ahead and turn that down a little bit, and we're gonna take our pizza and slide it on in. All right, again, look at that, perfect with that semolina flour on there. It allows you to just shimmy your pizza straight onto the stone. You can see our dough starting to puff up. I see some bubbles in there. It is looking good. Our lighting isn't helping us out here today. I'm gonna go in there and we're gonna grab our pizza, take a look at it, check it out. Gonna flip it around. Oh yeah, straight back in there, like that. been about 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes so far. That's where we're at. Let's do a little check underneath the crust. That's about perfect right there. I like some color, but I don't like it burned, so we are gonna pull that really quick. You see, we have the patio heaters going on today because it is a super, super chilly day, and I think our pizza is just about done right there. And we'll shove that on there. Oh my goodness, let's come over here. We're gonna go ahead with a little bit of parsley. Of course, you know I put the parsley on the Colorado Cajun recipe. I use curly parsley. I'm sure you could use flat as well. Looking beautiful. If you want to, one more kiss of the Louisiana hot sauce on top. And last but not least, some lemon, of course. I know what you're thinking, lemon on a pizza? Has this guy lost his mind? Well, maybe I have. Take a look at that. Oh my goodness, Aaron's behind the camera today. I'm gonna let him just zoom around there and get some shots of this beautiful pizza. Let's cut it up. Oh yes. Look at the steam coming off that thing. I am loving the brand new Blackstone pizza oven, friends. By the way, if you're wondering about it, it is a Walmart.com exclusive. You can't buy it in stores. Look at this, look at this, look at that. Look at the bottom of that crust. Can you see that right there? That's what I want it to look like. Some color on there, and look at that. You can fold it, but we're gonna get a crunch. Here we go. Take a look at that. Let's give it a try. Colorado Cajun, the pizza. I've made 4 pizzas in the pizza oven in the last day. Hands down, that one came out the best. I'll put a link in the description down below if you want that simple dough recipe off of Blackstone's website. But wow, friends, take another look at that. It tastes like the Colorado Cajun was made into a gourmet pizza. So take one last look at that delicious pizza. It's getting freezing cold out here. Check it out. I dug into the 2020 archives and pulled out the 2020 Griddle More Tour giveaway apron. But speaking about going back in time, check it out. Been on YouTube for 14.5 years. Man, I had Rocky Mountain Meat Hunter t-shirts. Raise your hand down below and let me know if you were alive and well and watching back in those days. And then like 6 years ago, I needed a website in a hurry. I was trying to promote stuff. I asked my subscribers, and one guy said, how about Make America Griddle Again? That's how I got that. That used to be my website. And I have some of those t-shirts left over here. I've got medium, large, no extra large. I have 2XL and I have 3XL, so check this out. Maybe we'll give some of these away today. These are vintage, folks. Never gonna make these things again. Red, white, gray. Look at there, there's the old website on the arm. They don't even exist anymore. Or, I mean, they're here, but that's it. So leave me a comment down below. Of course, you gotta mention pizza. You've gotta mention the shirt somewhere in your comment, and I'll pick a winner or two here. We'll give it, let's let it run a week, and I'll pick a winner before I go out on tour next week. So thanks for watching, everybody. Praise the Lord and pass. Colorado Cajun pizza.